Hello, welcome to the CASTEP series. We are at the lecture number 7. In this lecture we will discuss about more on electronic tape. By clicking on more option in electronic tape, we get this type of interface. In our previous lectures I have discussed about base, SCF and cap points. In this lecture I will proceed our discussion about potentials. So by clicking on potentials option, we get this type of interface in which we have the first option is scheme. So we have different schemes of potentials. This is basically pseudopotentials. You can select this scheme from here, from electronic tab. See, pseudopotentials. Okay, and the next thing is representations. So we have two options in representations, and one is a reciprocal space and the another one is a real space. Through this you are defining how the potential is stored and applied during the calculations. So by default it is selected is a reciprocal space. Reciprocal space is insufficient for plane wave basis sets, so it's okay is a reciprocal space by default because we are calculating our calculation in a reciprocal space. We adjust cap points, everything. This the representation of pseudopotential is okay on reciprocal space. The next thing is selected potentials. So from here you can select your pseudopotential values. From this interface show each atoms in a system. Here see we have chlorine, we have different atoms with different energies. So this is basically energy required for chlorine atoms. After that we have the checkbox with the show potential for all elements. Here you can show pseudopotential values for different elements. See, from here you can adjust the cutoff energies and the potential values according to these elements values. See, here we have view options. By clicking on view option we get this type of interface. So this is the information about hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen have one charge, need coarse energy cutoff. So in short, this is all the information about hydrogen. Okay, and if you want to select another one by clicking KR, so we get all information about KR. Accordingly, if you want to view all the detail of the elements, you can select here and you can view from here. Okay, after that we have external potentials in which we have electric field. So we can define external potential as add a uniform external electric field to the system. Okay, from here you can add uniform external field. If you want to apply any external field on your system, so you can apply from here, and you can adjust the coordinates of external electric field from here. This is the video of X coordinate, Y coordinate and Z coordinate. So this is all the information about potentials. So after that we will proceed our discussion about DFT and D method. Okay.